Greetings. The topic for this podcast is Launch Your Virtual Event Business in the USA, a step-by-step guide. Picture this: you're at home, sipping your morning coffee, scrolling through an event invitation that's purely virtual. It's for a major conference hosted entirely online. Now imagine you're not just attending, it's your business running the show. Welcome to the booming world of virtual events, where innovation meets opportunity, and your home office becomes your headquarters. Today we're diving into everything you need to know to launch a thriving virtual event business in the USA. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a curious beginner, this episode will give you practical insights to turn your dream into reality. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine, working a 9-to-5 in event planning, had a light bulb moment during the pandemic. In-person events were cancelled left and right, but demand for virtual solutions skyrocketed. She started small, managing webinars and online meetups from her kitchen counter. Fast forward 2 years, and her virtual event company now runs global summits, earning more in a month than she did in a year. This could be you too. What is a virtual event business? A virtual event business manages and facilitates events held entirely online. This includes webinars, conferences, trade shows, workshops, and social gatherings, all hosted on virtual platforms. Focus on niche events to stand out. For example, industries like tech, education, and health are thriving in the virtual space. What skills do I need? Key skills include event planning, tech platform navigation, and digital marketing. Strong organizational and communication abilities are essential. Don't underestimate the power of learning platform-specific tools to deliver seamless experiences. What technology should I use? Virtual event platforms, webinar tools, and live streaming software are critical. Invest in reliable internet, high-quality audio, and visuals to elevate attendee experience. Always test-run technology before going live to avoid disruptions. What's the initial investment? Costs vary, but you'll need funds for software subscriptions, marketing, and possibly outsourcing technical support. Start lean, use free trials and affordable tools until you secure steady clients. How do I market my business? Build an online presence through social media, SEO-optimized content, and direct outreach to potential clients. Leverage testimonials from your earliest events to build credibility. What are the legal requirements? Obtain any necessary permits, create contracts for clients, and adhere to data privacy laws. Consult local regulations to ensure compliance with state and federal laws. How can I attract high-paying clients? Offer customized packages, highlight unique features, and target industries with high budgets for events. Research industries with substantial funding, such as corporate training or educational conferences. What are the biggest challenges? Tech failures, low attendance, and maintaining engagement are common hurdles. Always have a backup plan for tech issues and include interactive elements like polls and Q&A sessions. How do I scale the business? Expand your offerings, hire a team, and explore international markets. Focus on creating reusable content, like pre-recorded sessions, to maximize your output. Why is the USA a great market? With its tech-savvy population and emphasis on remote solutions, the USA offers a prime audience for virtual events. Focus on metropolitan areas where demand for professional virtual events is high. A recent virtual team-building event I attended included something unique: a coffee sandwich break. Everyone brought their favorite coffee, and between sessions, we shared stories over virtual networking. It's those creative, human touches that make virtual events stand out. You can incorporate ideas like these to elevate your offerings. Starting a virtual event business in the USA isn't just an idea, it's an opportunity waiting for action. From planning and tech to marketing, every step counts toward creating a thriving business. Stay creative, stay resourceful, and remember, the future of events is virtual. Thank you.